Hello, I'm in a 2012 Honda Crosstour, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your front and rear windshield defrost. So while the vehicle's on, which this currently is, you can control it with this symbol for your front and this for your rear. So the front, once that's on, it's lit up, and then your fan speed is now controlling the fan where it pumps out the front. And then your temperature, typically you want it up hot if you want it to melt. And you may also have the AC on even while it's hot, because that can help pull moisture out of the air so your windshield doesn't fog up. And when you're done, you just turn it back off, or turn the fan all the way off. And then for your rear, if you can see it in the video, there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are a heating mechanism. So while your defrost rear is turned on, it activates those heating mechanisms so it'll melt any ice. And when you're done with that, same process, just turn it off. And if you're having issues with these lighting up, the first thing I would check is your fuses to make sure there's not like a burnt fuse out that might be interfering with this process. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.